Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is online class subject intelligent test and the topic is logical reasoning verbal. Now in this video we are going to see the exercise 4.3 which is available on page number 147. But before this one we are going to see just make an overview of model questions. There are the three questions on page number 146. So question number 1 is there. Pinku has six pencils more than Rinku. Rinku has four pencils more than Anu. So Pinku we will assume as a P. P is having the six pencils more than Rinku. Okay, so is equals to 6 plus R. Okay, so Rinku have whatever the pencils in a quantity, so that is additions of this 6. Okay, so is equals to Pinku's pencil. Then Rinku has four pencils more than Anu. So Rinku R is equals to 4 plus A for the Anu. Now Rinku has 8 pencils more than Manu. So R is equals to Rinku has 8 pencils more than Manu, means 8 plus M. Okay. Then Pinku has 12 pencils more than Chino. So Pinku is equals to 12 pencils more than Chino, means C. Okay. Who has the least number of pencils? Least means the smallest, okay, or lesser. Now Pinku has 6 pencil than Rinku, means we can say Pinku has 6 plus 4 means 10 pencil than Anu. Okay, so we can say Pinku is equals to 10 plus Anu. Okay, then Rinku has 8 pencils more than Manu and Pinku has 6 pencils than Rinku. So Pinku and Manu are, if we comparing, so 6 plus this 8 means 14 plus Manu's pencils. Okay, so this is now. So Pinku's pencil, suppose there is the now quantity is the same. Okay, so we just mentioning the Pinku's pencil as a P. If we deduct from this one the 12, so that will the Chino's pencils, means more deduction will be the lesser quantity. Manu having the lesser quantity. Okay, so means because this is the number is more. Okay, so the Manu is least quantity. Okay, so Manu means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, if elephant is called tiger, tiger is called rabbit, rabbit is called lion, and lion is called bear, then who will be called our national animal? As we know, national animal is a tiger, but we are not calling tiger as a tiger. So we are calling tiger is now as a rabbit. So means national animal will be rabbit. Rabbit is given in option number 2. Now question number 3, Suyash plays cricket and football. So suppose Suyash plays cricket, C and F. Okay, so I will mention here C and F. Okay, then Rajesh plays only hockey, so hockey also there. So Rajesh only plays hockey. Now Shailesh plays football and kabaddi. Shailesh SH, okay, plays football and kabaddi. So K for kabaddi here. Now kabaddi. Deepak plays all sports except football. So Deepak, D for Deepak, except football, means this is he is not playing the football. So all means cricket, hockey, and kabaddi. Then who plays kabaddi? Now kabaddi plays Shailesh and Deepak. So these two persons are playing kabaddi, means Shailesh and Deepak. Now Deepak and Shailesh is given in option number 4. Now exercise 4.3. So there is a question number 1. Priyal is older than Anup but younger than Mayank. So we will assume as a Priyal PR is older than Anup. Okay, so older than Anup A, but younger than Mayank, but younger than Mayank. Okay, because she is smaller than Mayank. Okay, age. So Mayank is elder one. Okay, now Sanskruti is of the same age of the Anup. So Sanskruti here S also. So she is also same age of the Anup. Now same age of that of the Anup, but older than Ashwini. But older than Ashwini means Ashwini is a younger. Okay, AS Ashwini. Who is the oldest among them? Now in this one Mayank is a older, because we already make this comparisons. Okay, so now we are finding the Mayank. Mayank wins option number 3. Now question number 2, Pinku likes to watch cinema as well as read books. So we will make a same like that table. So here Pinku likes watch cinema, so I will make a watch cinema. Okay, cinema, then reading books. Okay, RB. Now who is, we are talking about the Pintu. Okay, Pintu watch cinema and reading book. Chintu likes to travel as well, listen to music. So music we can say and travel. Okay. So who is that? Chinku. CH. Okay. So music and travel. Mintu likes to watch cinema. Mintu M for Mintu watch cinema. Read books and listen music. Read books and listen music. Then Gintu, G for Gintu, we will assume. Gintu likes to listen music, as well as travel, Which activity is the most popular now? Watching cinema is two persons likes, then reading books two persons likes, music three persons like, and travels two persons likes. Okay, means now which activity is popular? So this means music, listening to music. So this is the option number one. Music is there. Now, question number three. 200 chairs are arranged in a row in a theater. The order of the chair are per the color red. Okay, so as per the coloring we are making, so suppose here the red R is for the red, then yellow Y as a yellow, then blue B as a blue, then green G as a green, and then orange O as a orange, and then purple as a P. Then again red. Okay, so again red, then yellow, then blue. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total there are the four color chair, and these chairs are arranged in a same up to the 200 chairs. Okay, means this is the first, second, now this is sixth, again seventh will be the again red like this one, eighth will be the now yellow, so like this one. The order of the chair as per their color in red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple. Again red, yellow, blue, dash, dash, dash. Means same this sequence repeatedly, but the color sequence is the same. Okay, means after the red, yellow will be there, then blue, then green, then orange, then purple. Okay, this sequence will be the same. The chair of which color will occur at 100th place? So as per this one, 100th place chair, sorry, 100th place chair color we have to find out. Now these colors are total in quantity 6. Okay, so 6 quantities. So 6 we have to divide it to 100, means 100 divided by 6. Now it comes to the 16, and after this one the 4 as a remainder. Okay, 4 as a remainder, because 16 6 are 96. Okay, so 4 remainder. 4 remainder means after this one the 97th is the red, 98th, then 99th, and then green is a 100th. Okay, like this one. So means the green will be the 100th. So green means option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 4. If red is called orange, orange is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called blue, and blue is called violet, then which is the color of midday sun? Now we know the midday sun's color is yellow, but we are not calling yellow as a yellow. We are calling yellow is as a green. Means the green means option number 3 is correct one. Now question number 5. If bullock cart means aeroplane, aeroplanes means ship, ship means cycle, cycle means railway, railway means motor car, then which vehicle runs on a track? As we know, railway is running on a track, but we are not calling railway as a railway. Now we are calling railway as a motorcycle. Means option number 2. Now, question number 6. At which time does the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock make right angle? Right angle means like this. Means the here the 90 degree. Okay. So like this. This is a position, or like this positions. Okay. So this is also one positions. Okay. But the clock make right angle, so at which timing? So option number 1, 6 o'clock. No, 6 o'clock means like this one. Okay, so it's a 180 degree, so it's not a right angle. Then option number 2, 12 o'clock. No, 12 o'clock means the zero, both are at the same position coincide, so this is a zero angle, so this is also incorrect one. Then half past 3, half past 3 means 3 and then 30 minutes, so this is also not one. Then 9 o'clock, yes, this is like a 9 and the 12 means 9 o'clock correctly, so option number 4 is the correct one for question number 6. Now question number 7, which of the following is the incorrect time in a clock? Incorrect, that is very important. Incorrect. So now option number 1, 7 and then 30 minutes. Yes, it can be, but it is a correct. So this option is incorrect one. Then option number 2, 12 and then 50. This is also clock can possible. Then option number 3, 2 and 65. But 65 minutes never shown in a clock. So this is the incorrect, means option number 3. Now, question number 8 on next page number, statement. Every 3 years, the river in a village floods. This is the first sentence, and the second sentence, there was a flood 15 years ago to the village river. Now, in the first sequence, every 3 years is mentioned, and now in the second sentence, there is mentioned 50 years ago. Now, whenever we are talking about the past, we are giving the reference from the today's reference. Now, means the meaning is that from today, okay, means from today, this is suppose the current time we can mention, okay, current time. Before 15 years means that we can say before 15 years the flood was there, okay, that is the second sentence, that is the meaning, means they are talking about the today's flood, okay, means, and after 3 years the floods is occurs, means 15 divided by 3 is also occurs, means every 15 every 3 years is floods occur, that is the meaning in a first sentence, and they are talking about the current, means. Now, option number 1, river will be flooded in next year. No, because after this one, the next year means only 1 year there. But every 3 years means this statement number 1 is incorrect one. Now, option number 2, river was flooded in previous years. No, that one also, because this is the current year is the after 3 years, means now this current year is not flooded. Okay. So option number 3, river will be flooded this year. Yes, so this is means this current year, that was the mention, river will be flooded, so they are talking about this years. Okay, so now option number 4, now onward river will be flooded every 15 years. Now onwards is not, that are the already past and with the 3 year already mentioned. So option number 4 is, and 1 and 2 are all are incorrectly. So as per the statement 1 and 2, option number 3 statement is the correct one. Now, question number 9, statement A. Some students in a class play guitar. Some students, okay. Means suppose there are the this much of the quantity, this much students volume, or we can say the number of in between this one. Some student means some part of the students are playing guitar. Okay, so then statement B. All guitar players are musician. So who are playing the guitars? All are the musicians. Okay, 100%. Now, conclusion, C is there. All musicians in a class play guitars. All musicians. No, this we could not say. Okay, because here also the possibility of the musicians. Here the condition is there. All guitar playing persons are a musician. Okay, means that is not a meaning that all the musicians are the guitar. Okay, there might be the musician who are not playing the guitar. Okay, so this statement C, we are saying the incorrect. Okay, I N and then C. Okay, I just making it short. Then conclusion D, some students in a class are musicians. Some students in a class, so this is a class. Okay, so here also some students, and here all, means we can say some students. Yes, so this is a correct. Okay, so now C is incorrect and D is correct. So if you see, option number 3 is correct one. Now question number 10, in the code language, line is called point, point is called as a ray, ray is called as a triangle, triangle is called as a quadrilateral, quadrilateral is called as a circle, and circle is called as a rectangle. Then in same code language, in which figure a chord can be drawn? As we know, chord means what? If there is a circle, the chord is such a line which can be passed through the in center, or which is touching to the any 2 points on a circle. Okay, so if suppose this is center, so this is also chord, or we can say this is also chord, or diameter also a chord. Okay, so chord is always be in a circle, but circle means now circle is called as a rectangle, means rectangle means option number 4 is the correct one for question number 10. Now question number 11, the town A is less populated. Question number 11, the town A is less populated than that of the town B. So town A is like this one and town B is like this one. Okay, I just mentioning A and B. So suppose this is a graph. Okay, we are making as a bar graph in a vertical manner for a comparison purpose. So now the town C is more populated than that of the town B, more populated than that of the town B. So C is here. Okay, so C, the population of the town D is more than that of the population of the town B. So D also more. Okay, so somewhat be here, but we don't know about the D and C. So just mentioning D is here, which is the least populated town. Now, as we know, C and D are more than the B. Okay, and we are searching for the list, and A is lesser than B. So means list means A is the least one, and A is given in option number 1. Now question number 2. In a basket, the number of yellow flowers is less than the number of red flowers by 6. So we will make in comparison type. Okay, so in a basket, number of yellow flowers. So why mention for the yellow flowers is less than the number of red flowers by 6, means red flowers plus 6 is there, means yellow is lesser than 6 than the red flower, that is the meaning. So red plus 6 means yellow. Okay, the number of red colors is less than the number of white flowers by 3. So red is equals to white means W plus 3. So W as a white flower we are mentioning. Now the number of red flower are more than the number of orange flower by 8. So red flowers is equals to orange flowers means as a O plus 8. Okay, so more than, okay, more than the 8 flowers means we can say orange flower plus 8. If we do, then we are getting the red flowers. Which color flower are least in a number? So now as if we compare here, so yellow flowers having the more because they are comparing with the red flowers. Okay, if we added with the red flower with the 6, then the means quantity of the 6, number 6, then only the yellow colors quantity we are getting. So means yellow is the most one. Now compare with the white and the orange. Now red flower quantity is a 3 quantity more than the white one, but 8 quantity more than the orange one, means orange is a lesser quantity, means least quantity. So orange means option number 4. Now question number 13. The bed of the river P is smaller than that of the river F. So here, so suppose P bed, just I'm mentioning like this one. Suppose this is a bed length. Bed means the cross section of the river. Okay, from one end to the another end. That is the mentioning. Okay, so river is like this one. Somewhat be like this one. So this is the river water. Okay, so river water. So suppose this bed of the P river smaller than that of the river F. So F river we are mentioning in a graphically somewhat be like smaller than that of the F. Okay, this P is smaller than that of the F river. The bed of the river B is smaller than that of the river A. So now river B and A, so smaller than that of the A. So suppose this is the A, okay, and smaller than that of the A means B. So this is a B and this is the A. But we don't know comparison with P, F and then A and B. So this relations we don't know. We just marking here. Okay, just for the reference purpose. The bed of the river A is larger than that of the river F. So larger. So A will be larger. Okay. So now we are getting the relation with F and A. Means A is greater than P also and F also B. Or we can say the larger bed. Okay. Now, according to the size, which river has the second largest? Now, as we know, the largest is the A, but we don't know about the second one because this is a very difficult. As we know, the P is smaller than F. Okay, so now for the second position, there is a possibility of the F and there is possibility of the B because B is smaller than A and F also smaller than A. Okay, now in comparison with A, in comparison with F and B, we don't know exactly which is a smaller and which is a larger. Means we can say the data here incomplete. So that's why the option number 4, data insufficient. This option is a correct one because F and B rivers, that comparison we doesn't know. Now question number 4. Pakoda is less spicy than. Now I will make another one. pakoda. Okay. P for pakoda, we will assume P for pakoda is less spicy than vada. So for the spiciness, just make a horizontal bar. So this is a vertical arrow. So for this is axis and this axis. So P is something this spiciness, okay, just for the denoting purpose, for according or understanding purpose. Now pakoda is less spicy than vada. So vada we are saying just somewhat be like this one. So V for the vada. Then pakoda is less spicy than the misal. This pakoda is less than spicy than the misal. So misal we can just ahead of this pakoda, but we don't know about the vada and this misal. Chutney is more spicy than vada. So chutney, okay. So we will mentioning chutney here more than the vada, but about the misal we don't know. M for misal and C for chutney. Now misal is less spicy than chutney. Misal is less spicy than chutney. Yes, okay. So that we can completely here shown less than this one, but actually it is a less than vada also. Okay, which is the more spicy between vada and misal? Actually here in between these two vada and misal, this comparison we don't know. Okay, comparison between the pakoda and chutney as given, pakoda and vada is given, misal and chutney also given, but the vada and misal not given. So exactly which is a more spicy, that we could not be find out. So means we can say here also data insufficient. Okay, so means option number 4 is a correct. Now question number 15. Radio is called TV, TV is called cinema, cinema is called play, and play is called documentary. Then what do you then what do we watch on the big screen? As we know, on a big screen means cinema, we are watching in theater. Okay, so means cinema, but we are not calling cinema as a cinema, we are calling cinema is as a play. So means play means option number 3. Now question number 16. Well is called stream, stream is called river, river is called sea, and sea is called canal. Which of the following does originated, or we can say originate in the district Nasik? So as we know, from the district Nasik, there is a river is originate, which is a Godavari river. Okay, so but we are not calling as a river. Okay, so we are calling river as a sea. Means now that is a, instead of the Godavari river, now we are calling as a Godavari sea. Okay, so means option number 3. Question number 17. If calf is called cub, cub is called lamb, lamb is called kitten, kitten is called kid, kid is called puppy, then what is the young ones of sheep called? As we know, young ones of sheep means lamb, but lamb is not called as a lamb. We are calling lamb as a kitten. Means kitten means option number 3 here also. Correct one. Now question number 18. At what time does the minute hand and the hour hand in a clock appear in a straight line? So for the straight line means while doing the exactly clock. So that is in option number 1, 2 and 45. No, it cannot be in straight. 6 hours, yes, it can be. Means option number 2 is the correct one. Now option number 19. Question number 19. Statement A. All kings are mighty. Statement B. Few kings are sensitive. Now, which correct conclusion can be drawn from the above statements? So, option number 1, few kings are not mighty. But here mention all kings are mighty. So, option number 1 is incorrect one. Then, option number 2, all kings are sensitive. No. In statement B, few kings are sensitive mentioned. So, option number 2 also incorrect one. Now, option number 3, few mighty kings are sensitive. Yes, few kings are sensitive means, that is the meaning, few mighty kings are sensitive means option number 3 is a correct one. Now option number 4, for this one, just for checking purpose we will go through that one. All mighty kings are sensitive. No, all kings are not sensitive. Few kings are sensitive means this 4 statement also incorrect one. Now question number 20. Exam started from Monday. Daily there was one paper. So from Monday, exam is started Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, okay, then Friday, and then Saturday, and then Sunday. Okay, so Sunday there is no exam, so exam started from Monday. Then the first paper was the paper of language. was the paper of language. So here language is mentioned L. Okay. Then in between Marathi and English paper was the environment 2 paper. So suppose there is a English, sorry, here Marathi and English. In between this one, the environmental 2 paper is there. Maths paper was after English. So after English, maths is there. Okay. So M for the maths. On a third day after the environment 2, third day after the environmental 2 paper was environment 1. So after the third day means this is first, second and the third means E1 paper we are assuming as a environment 1. On which day was maths paper? So now this paper sequence has given, and first paper on a Monday, and every day there is a paper means this Marathi paper. Okay, so here MA should be there, this MA. Okay, then E2 should be here, then on Thursday this English, then here the maths. Okay, and then E1. So maths should be on Friday, that is the meaning. Language is also one paper mentioned, but that which language, that is not mentioned, because that is the statement. The first paper was the paper of language, paper of language. So that language we don't know, so that paper is there. Okay, so that's why Monday will be a language paper. After this one, the Tuesday, there is a Marathi, and after this one, environmental 2 is there, then English, then maths and environmental 1. So on a Friday, so maths paper means the as per the question, which day was the maths paper means on a Friday, and Friday is given in option number 4. Thank you.